So when given a level and you want to reduce it, firstly you'll be given this, which is the first reduced level, and then you calculate the height of instruments. But before that, this will be empty and the subsequent reduced level will be empty. So what you read inside the first reading is backside. It's called backside. Then every other reading you take is called intersite, is intersite, intersite, intersite. Then the last reading you take before you move your instrument is called foresight, which is this. Now after moving your instrument, the first reading you take again is a backside, which is this. Then you take other readings which are usual intersite, 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 as long as you keep on reading until the last reading you take it becomes what? A foresight. And then you move your instrument and then take a first reading again, which is a backside. So it continues that way. Then when you want to reduce, this is the height of instrument method. So the height of instrument will give you what you do. Your reduced level plus your backside should give you a height of instrument. If you observe the formula bar, it's highlighting this and this. Then to get subsequent reduced level, you now do height of instrument minus intersite. So you can observe the formula that is here minus this. And press escape, and here it continues that way. You see, height of instrument minus this until to the foresight, which is this one, and here it is height of instrument minus the foresight before you move your instrument. Now after moving your instrument, you have to calculate the height of instrument again, which is here. And what's here is, here you are calculating what? You can see what's been highlighted again, the reduced level at this point plus the backside. It's supposed to be here. So this is supposed to be this, and you hit enter. Okay, so that's how the calculation continues. And then subsequent point to now be this minus, so that way the calculation continues. Okay, that's that for that. So let's talk about cross section. Here this is arrowish, this is right hand side, center line, left hand side. So this is the center line 0, right hand side is 7 meters, left hand side is minus 7 meters. Okay, so that's 14 meters in total. Here is 0, chain is 0, 25, 50, 75. So as chain is 0, this is the reduced level at the right hand side, that's 7 meters to the right. This is the reduced level at the center line, and this is the reduced level at the left hand side, that's 7 meters to the left of the center. So that's what you have here. That's what we have here. So let's assume we want to get the result that we'll paste in the cross section here. So 25, 50, 225. So let me drag this down to, let's say 500. It's 550 meters. Okay, this one is still the same thing down to here. Okay, so I can delete these values here. Can delete these values, but before then let me ensure that they are on 3 decimal places. Okay, I can delete it. So for longitudinal section, you're only interested in the center line. So to do that, I'm just going to click on the data tab, and then check this box for filter. Now what I will do is I'll come here and I'll deselect everything and just select that of the center line and click OK. You can see that the chain is at 0 0 0 0 0. No, okay. I mean the offset is 0. That's for the center line. So I'm just gonna highlight everything. And look, here is highlighting everything, but look at this formula here. To highlight only the visible cells, press alternate plus colon. So I'm going to do that. Alternate colon. Now it's only the visible cells that are highlighted, so I can press Ctrl C and I'll come here and then press Ctrl V, or I can right click and paste as values. We are good to go. You can save. You can press escape, and I will come back here and then click on clear filters. Back to my data set. Next up is plotting. So let's open AutoCAD. We'll come here and let's look for SW-DTM. SW-DTM, DTM. So I'm gonna click on something here. Points, draw, triangles, contour, blah blah blah. So let's work with the L section first. We're only going to highlight the data and the remark. We're not highlighting the header. We are not highlighting the header here. So here, now after highlighting the data, I can click on this X section here. X section here, and I'm interested in what? Longitudinal section. And it says read data from where? I'm reading it from Excel file. What is the interval? The interval is 25 meters, so I'm just gonna type that in and I'm going to click on execute. After that, I'm going to click on draw all. I'm going to paste it, let me say here. Okay, and here we have it. Okay, yeah, the chain is from 0 to 550. So there must be an error somewhere. There must be an error, and we'll locate it. Here is one. Chain is 225. Chain is 225. Let's check what happens. Chain is 225. Okay, look at where the error is coming from. Chain is 250. So let me review my original data set. One 1.227, and the one here they are up to 4. That's a serious issue. Let me correct that too. Chain is 250. Look at it here, very big blunder. So I've corrected that. So yeah, let me close this. I'm going to delete this thing. I will start again. Let me just press Ctrl Z until it disappears. Okay, here we are. So let's return to our data set. On the longitudinal section, we're going to highlight this. Highlight, and then click on what? X section. X section, draw L profile from Excel file. The interval is 25 meters. Now I'm gonna click on what? Okay, include all changes. And I'm just gonna click on execute and draw all. Then I'm going to place it here, and here we have it. So this is the longitudinal section. Okay, so let me close this. Now we can return back to our data set and then plot the cross section. So let's go. We are through with you, so let us not highlight anything here and go straight to the cross section. Let me just press Ctrl S to save my work. So here I'm just gonna highlight this, and these three downwards. So now that I've highlighted it, let me come to Autocad. Now I'm gonna click on where X section, draw, and I'm interested in the cross section. Draw from Excel file, include all changes, and I'm just going to leave everything the same for now. Just click on execute, and it says draw all. Number of rows 1 2 3 4. Number of columns 3. 3. 4 times 3 is 12. No problem. Let's draw all. Let's see what happens. It's supposed to be 22. Let's see what happens. Okay, they are here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23. Okay, 475 375. Okay, chain is 0 0 25 50 75 100 125. So everything is okay. So that's that for that. Next up will be just to create a frame like this, and then put them into it, and this one, so we can export and print. Bye for now.